Bah humbug, bitches. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've got a fun video for you today. Well, I hope it's going to be a fun video. I decided to get one of those really just awful holiday eyeshadow palettes that are super cheap with super chalky shadows. They come with like 1,000,000 shadows. I got this one at Ulta. They were half off, and then my discount, and then I used my points, just like a tiny little bit of my points on it. I ended up paying 54 cents or something for this. I just wanted to get it to see if we can't make one of these shitty holiday eyeshadow palettes work. This palette is from Beauty Gems. It's what it says here. I haven't been able to find a website from them. Distributed by Jessamine Labelle, made in China. It's got parabens and nasty stuff in it for you. But I just wanted to see if it's even worth the effort to try and make one of these eyeshadow palettes work. If you guys are interested in seeing how this goes, keep watching and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I wasn't going to buy this palette. I decided against it, and then I got to my car with the other things that I had purchased after my shift, and this was still in my bag. So I went back in, and I called my manager back up, and I was like, hey, this was in my bag and you didn't charge me for it. And she was like, oh, sorry, do you still want it? And I was like, I mean, how much is it? So she rang it up, it was $6. So I redeemed 200 of my points and got it for 50 cents. For my honesty, I got a Bare Minerals liquid lipstick sample. Some of my coworkers were like, oh, you just kept it. And I was like, that's not honest. It's literally the exact same outer packaging as the Morphe palette. Interesting. So in this palette, you get 88 eyeshadows. It's sticky? What the hell happened here? Why is the interior of this palette sticky? I think it's from the glue that's supposed to hold the shadows down. Because like, this shadow is totally popping out of its place. So you get 88 eyeshadows, a mirror, and then I think you're supposed to get two dual-ended applicators, and mine came with one. It does come with a mirror. I'm a little nervous to put this on my face. I'll show you a couple swatches just so you can have an idea of what we're dealing with here. I was swatching these at work and just giggling because they are chalky. Really. Here's the gold one. The black. The kind of steely blue. And the, I don't know what this one was, like a matte white. So they're very, very chalky, not a lot of pigment. To give it a fighting chance, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This one. I'm waiting for them to just fall out. They're very dusty. Very, very dusty. I can't honestly tell if there's even anything going on in my eyes yet. This one. There's a lot of shimmers in this palette. This one. Sorry about the airplanes. Okay, it's not actually half bad. I was expecting way worse. We're gonna do purple. I never do purple. They're all shimmer shades. Every single one. I want to take this one. I want to take this really deep purple down here. Kind of a gray, going on gray a little bit. Why am I liking this? I want to take this really light lilac. This is on my GH41 And I'm going to put that on the inner bit of my eye. And then I'm going to take it on a finger and press it on there. Only at a certain angle can you see that I have purple there. I'm really hoping that I'm not going to have like a weird reaction to these shadows. This one, so far, is like the first one that hasn't really worked for me. I really hope my burning eye is just my being tired. Alright, I'm going to take this sparkly black from the very bottom of the palette. What's happening outside? Why are people giggling? It's too cold for giggles. Bah humbug, bitches. Guess who didn't go to school today? Me. I'm depressed. I took a nap instead. I'm okay. Just worn out, you know? Okay, that turned very gray very fast. Just kind of hoofed away. Nice and smoky. I was not planning to go smoky today, but that's, I guess that's what's happening. And then for the center of the eyelid, I'm going to take this. It's kind of like a browny blackish purple. I'll take that on my finger. Kind of look like I got hit in the face. Oh yeah, I definitely look like I got hit in the face. Okay, the first ones are doing really well. Packing the shimmers is less effective. Let's do a little bit of blending. I have used worse shadows. I think they were from Wet n Wild. There's like a little quad that I used by them that was really bad. This one's okay. Not great, but okay. For brow bone highlight, I want to take this bottom corner I'm gonna put on my face. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so I'm definitely looking a little sick. Oh man, I look kind of dead. Dark purples are not for me. I'm just gonna wipe away my ColourPop No Filter setting powder. It's weird how identical this packaging is to a Morphe palette. So weird, like it has the same weight and everything. So I'm gonna take this brown shade here. I think I already used this one once. And buff it under the under eye and blend. Ow. And this kind of cool tone brown here. Nothing too crazy for the under eye because the main eyelid is very dark. Going back with the champagne color for inner corner highlight. So I kind of need to go in heavy with that so that there's some kind of brightness to this look. Pretty good highlighting shade, not gonna lie. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. Alright, and this look is done. I feel like once I got the rest of my face on with a brighter under eye and a brighter lip, I don't look quite as sick. A little sultry, but still not super healthy. On my lips today, I put on the Bare Minerals Matte Liquid Lipstick in Swag. And then over the top, I put this Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. O2 Smile, Sparkle, Smile and Sparkle and Shine. Smile, Sparkle, Shine. Because I'm always looking for a good glossy pink nude lip, and I'm getting close. I feel like this is a good combination. I quite like it. I think this gloss is $3, maybe $4 And it smells like, I don't know, like the old Smackers chapsticks and just like lip glosses that you, like when you first started makeup and your mom gave you lip gloss, right? Because lipstick was for grown-up ladies. It just smells, it smells like being young again. It's just kind of funny. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would say if you're looking for an incredibly cheap option with a lot of shadows, this is a good option. It just takes a little bit of work, a little bit of blending, but it did fine. They're on sale at Ulta right now. I believe the whole brand is half off because we're getting close to Christmas. Yeah. All right. I will see you guys next time. Bye. My Urban Decay Eyeshadow, no. Smile, Sparkle Shine. It's all about the commas, guys. Smile, comma, Sparkle Shine.